What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh. Today, we're gonna solve another puzzle. So, what kind of puzzle is going to be? So, guess what? What kind of puzzles we solve on this podcast? I think you already know. Anyway, today I'm gonna give you very important tip so you can identify when somebody, a Punjabi native people, they are speaking and it's totally different from a textbook type, right? So these words I'm going to teach you today. It is mere ਤੋਂ, tere ਤੋਂ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ, or ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ, right? These words are textbook words, but when we talk, we use differently. So it's going to be totally different. You never find these kind of words in textbook. So before I tell you what we call them in colloquial Punjabi, first you need to understand the meaning of these words, right? So probably some of you guys know what meaning of mere to, tere to, stuff like that. I think most of you guys maybe don't know if you're a beginner, right? Anyway, don't worry if you don't know, that's what I'm gonna tell you now. So basically, mere to means from me, tere to means from you, ona to means like a from them, os to means from him or from her. So now I'm gonna use these words in sentences so you can guess how we use it. For example, if I said like मैं कल तेरे तो पैसे लए सी. So what does it mean? It means I took a money from you yesterday. Probably took is not a good word here. It's kind of looks like I grab a money from you, but that's not what I mean. It means kind of like I borrowed money from you yesterday, right? So I use tere to. Tere to means from you. In another example, I can say तू मेरे तो पैसे ले ला, right? It means like you can take money from me. So basically, I'm offering you money. Probably you have money and you are trying to find somebody who can give you money, and I offered you money. तू मेरे तो पैसे ले ला. I used मेरे तो, alright? Another example, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਉਮੀਦ नहीं है, right? Like I don't have any hope from him. So how we would use these words in colloquial Punjabi? So let's back to the first example. When I say ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਲਏ ਸੀ, instead of ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ I would use ਤੈਥੋਂ. Alright? ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਥੋਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਲਏ ਸੀ. It means like I borrowed money from you yesterday. So ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ becomes ਤੈਥੋਂ. And if I give you second example, तू मेरे तो पैसे ले ला, right? So it's going to be तू मैथों पैसे ले ला. तू मैथों पैसे ले ला, right? You can take money from me. And the third example, मैनू उस तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. And colloquially Punjabi is going to be मैनू ओ तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं, alright? मैनू ओ तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं. It means like I don't have any hope from him. So you can see mere to becomes in colloquial Punjabi maithon, tere to becomes tethon, os to become oton, alright? And the onaton, which means from them, onato stays same, right? It doesn't change. So I want you to take a notes from these, alright? Because these are very important. We all the time do the maithon, tethon, alright? So these are very important. These words used in Punjabi very frequently. So take a note. Mere to means maithon, tere to means tethon, us to means oton. Alright. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes we use it like a mere ton, tere ton, right? We still use it. Even these are the textbook words. Sometimes we use, but most of the time, I think 90% time we use maithon, oton, tethon, stuff like that. You can also use these words if you want. If you want to stick to like a textbook words, this is also totally fine. We can understand that. But to understand us, you need to learn these words. It's not complicated. There's only 3 words you can learn easily. Just like let's just do a little bit practice, because when you if you going to start using these words, you will learn them quickly. If you don't use, probably you're gonna forget. So yeah, you can use these words. Like for example, maybe you are somewhere, like maybe for example, and you are in the bank, and there's a guy who is trying to find a pen. Maybe he need to do a signature, whatever the hell he needed, right? So and you have a pen, and you want to offer him, and you can say, "Maithon lela," right? मेरे कोले पेन ना मैथों ले ला, right? I have a pen. You can use it, all right? So at the end, we solve this puzzle. One thing more, actually, I forget to mention two more words, sathon and sothon. So it means sadeton and sodeton. So sadeton, instead of saying sadeton, mostly we say sathon, alright? Which means from us. And sodetum, probably most of you guys even don't know what is the sodetum mean, right? It is actually a colloquial way to say tahaddetum, right? So we don't say tahaddetum, we say sodetum. And in more shortcut, we just say sothum, all right? It means from you. So tetho means also from you, and sotho means also from you. So what is the difference? Difference, and when we say tetho, we use this word tetho when we talk our friends, stuff like that, and we use sotho when we're talking to somebody who is a respectful person. All right. So at the end, if you think you are getting the value from this channel and you wanna support it, then you can support it through Patreon. Link is in the description. By the way, if you have a hard time to understand Punjabi pronouns like passive pronouns, active pronouns, and possessive pronouns, then you can get my free ebook. Link is in the description. So at the end, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.